my DIYers, we are back again with another video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and let's get into it. Log check. So we are almost a year in November and it's getting there. It's so interesting to see how locks grow. Like, I got some skinny ones, some fat ones, some long ones, some short ones. I'm really loving this journey and I'm excited to see how it's gonna look in another year. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are going in with the S-Curl moisturizing spray. We are going to section the hair off. I'm going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. We're going to go ahead and braid some plaits in. I got 4 in the back. Then we're going to go in with the thread and needle. I went in with my rubber band and I grabbed 2 of my locks. Each lock has its own thickness. So I got 2 skinny locks here. I want to do a quick hairstyle. So I grabbed 2 and we are going to twist it all the way down. Once you have it twisted all the way down, we are going to connect each twist with another rubber band. Alright, so then we are going to grab our bundles. I am using Sensationnel, the 3 multi-pack Boho curl, and we are going to sew our bundles in. I used 1 pack, that's all you need, and it did my whole entire head. We love these cotton, what do you call these? Bands, ponytails, whatever. I really don't like using glue or anything like that, so I'm using my wig cap and making sure it's secure around my locks. So we are going to sew in the next bundle on our wig cap. Start from the middle. Once it is all sewn around the wig cap, you are going to have this invisible ponytail effect. And then we are going to go in with the last bundle. Make sure it's secure with the bobby pin, and you're going to go ahead and wrap that around. And then I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the back, put some edge control on it to sleek it, and wrap that around and secure it with a bobby pin. And there you go. Boom. I'm really pleased with this look, especially when you're like lazy and you don't have time for a retwist. Go ahead and get those rubber bands. Thank you so much for watching DIYerzz. Make sure you like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. Leave a comment. Let me know how yours turned out. Until next time.